So, very good afternoon to all participants, dear students. Now, today we are going to talk about the Smart India Hackathon 2022. Right. So now this the challenge is open now. So here you can see that for getting a quick detail about the Smart India Hackathon. In AICT portals they have given the details, like they have given what is about SIH, right? So uh, let's go for the discussion of SIH 2022. So this is one of the Smart India Hackathon 2022 software as well as hardware editions. So here's you have to share your problem and get them solved by the student across the India. So over the overview of this competition has given, right? So these are the platforms, you can see that. So process followed by SIH 2022, the steps are mentioned over here. So kindly go through the steps. Themes are also mentioned in broad themes, you can see here, right? So let's begin with the what are the problems, set of problems for which you have to give your solutions, right? So Smart India Hackathon is national level competitions. So here already problem statements are defined. So here you can see that we are here having 102 hardware challenges and 457 software challenges. So if you want to log in into sihgo.in, you can see that what kind of area you wanted to select. Suppose you wanted to select blockchain and cyber securities, and you can select whether you are interested for giving the solutions of software or hardware. Let us assume I am taking the software challenge, and you can select the department also, right? So in which department, like AICT or Bajaj Fins or communication information, or all these are the different departments, right, where the problems are exist. Based on that you have to uh, uh, send your solution. So here you can see that these are the problem statements, like for any computer science they can opt or they can solve these problem statements. So suppose let us example give these examples. First examples. So this is the organizations which looking at this ISROs, and the problem statement is software toolset for storage browsing and permission based access to geospatial data using the blockchains. So this is the software categories. Software problem domain buckets are blockchain and cyber security. If you want to give the solutions, right? So these are the details. So these are the problems. So I request to all the student of CSC, ECE, mechanical, and other branches like electrical, triple E, they have to choose the domain. Based on the domain you have to select the problem statements. So like graphical password authentication. So for that you can give the solutions. What should be the requirement, what should be the problem statement is there, you read carefully. According to that you have to give the solutions in Smart India Hackathon 2022. So here the clear description about the problem statement is given. You have to go through before applying to the Smart India Hackathon competitions, because if you solve the particular problem statement, and then only there is a chance to select, there is a chance that your projects get selected in Smart India Hackathon, and that might be get benefit from the particular organization, such as here All India Council of Technical Educations are there. Similarly, suppose anyone is from hardware side, right? And here for the hardware side you need to require hardware, right? So you can select hardware. and then you can see that there will be there will be different solutions, like you have to develop a system to identify the transgressions through the sensor and electronic devices in cameras. So this is the problem they have given, like there are gave along with the broader with the troops can be stand 24/7. So for that, for the all approaches or likely approaches can be guarded with the equipment like hidden camera, movement sensor, and or location find camera, stand alone surveillance camera, a remotely operated 360-degree surveillance camera titles, or quad spotted LoRa's and thumbs images, etc. All these description of problem statement is there for the hardware categories. So based on the problem statement, you have to give the solution, you have to give your project idea, or you have to apply in Smart India Hackathon. Then only there is a chance of getting success or getting selection. So here guys, you are having different categories, like suppose in any electronic student want robotic and drone, to want to implement robotic and drone. So and if they want to participate in the hardware, you can see that there is a different problem which is available, problem statement which is available, like you can go for AI based interactive robot for elderly cares. Suppose you want to implement this kind of drone which care the so the problem of statement is also mentioned over here. Suppose you provide the solutions based on the problem statement, then only there is a chance to get selected, right? So for the hardware editions, you need to go for hardware, and for software editions, if you want software kind of details, you can software, so you can select the software, right? Then they will give robotics and drones, what are the software challenges are available. So you have to make like pattern recognition algorithm to identify the marine animals. So all these sort of problems are available. So based on this, you have to write your write design, or write the project code, software code, or implement your hardware. So this is all about detail about Smart India Hackathon 2022. So this is a very great opportunity where you can participate in the form of teams. The team member must be here. You can see that suppose you go to detail about the implementation teams, right? So these are the teams, right? But in your teams, five members will be there. Faculty one member must be faculty, and one member must be woman or girls in particular team. So if five members are there in the teams, then one at least one must be the girls of this competition. So according to that, you have to form the group, and right. So you can see that different partners are there, international hackathons is there, different support system is there for these competitions. So I request you to all my dear students, kindly have a look on the problem statements of Smart India Hackathon 2022, then only you can excel. So hope this information is very helpful for you, and according to that you can apply for these competitions. So wish you all the best. If you like my if you like my videos, and if you like this information is very useful, please like my video and like and subscribe. So thank you, I am Dr. Anil. Thank you so much.